Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can set up subscription and recurring payments on Shopify. Now, if you have products that require subscriptions and you want to like set up subscriptions on your Shopify, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you how you can do that in a few seconds. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. And after that, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up subscriptions. Okay, now for example, if you are selling, for example, beauty products and you want to add subscriptions to your products so that people pay monthly for the products. Okay, now what you guys need to do, you just need to click on settings at the very bottom left. By the way, Shopify itself doesn't have that feature where you can set up subscriptions. Okay, you just need to download an app that is free. You don't really have to pay for subscriptions. Okay, so you need to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now after that, you want to search here for subscription. Okay, now after you search for subscription, you will find a lot of apps here that allow you guys to create subscriptions. Okay, now one of the best apps I have found is this one. It's called Appstall subscription app, but you can use other apps if you want. They are the same. Okay, they all do the same job. Okay, now I'm going to use for this video Appstall subscription, and I'm going to show you how you can use it. What I like about it, it's free. Like, it has a free plan that is enough for most sellers on Shopify. Okay, now click on Appstall subscription app. Okay, now as you can see here, guys, it says here free available plan. Okay, free plan available. Now you want to click on install, and after that, guys, you want to click again on install. Okay, in a few seconds, like I said, I'm going to show you guys how you can set this up. Okay, now after you click on install, you just need to wait a few seconds. As you can see, it's loading right now. All right, now we are in this page. Now to set up subscription, as you can see, it says here start selling my products are subscriptions. You can also add your existing subscriptions here. Okay, but for most people, they want to start from scratch. They want to create a subscription for the first time. Okay, now we're gonna click on next step. Okay, here, and then this just need to name the subscription. As you can see, it says here subscription plan name. Now you can name it anything you want. For example, I'm going to name it subscription plan. Okay, now as you can see, you want to click on select products, and you want to add the products here. So I only have one product because this is just I just like this store is just for making videos like this to explain to you guys how you can do things like this subscription thing, So just select the products that you want to add subscriptions to, and then click add. And you want to scroll down a little bit. I'm going to scroll down. As you can see here, it says here order billing type. I always go with pay as you go, auto renew. So like the customer is going to be charged each month automatically. Okay, now if you scroll down a little bit, order frequency name. Okay, so I'll go with weekly. I'm going to go with monthly here. Okay, monthly subscription. Now here, order frequency subscription. Now, like, people will be able to see this. Okay, your customers will be able to see. For example, you can get your deliveries every month. Okay, yeah, or you can just add something like monthly beauty, like monthly beauty subscription or something like that. Okay, it doesn't really matter. You just need to add something here related to, for example, get your products monthly here or something like that. Now order frequency, how many orders are going to be shipped to the customers. So I'm going to select one, and here where it says month, I'm going to go with month. Each month I'm going to send one order. Okay, now here the subscription renewal day. Okay, the same day of the month as when as you can see, it has like a lot of options here you can select from. You can also add click on apply discount if you want to add the discount to to the customer. So for example, you can go with percentage here, amount of, or percentage. Okay, select percentage, and I'm going to go with 15% off. Okay, now you can also click on change discount after specific number of payments if you want that. Okay, now it says here add frequency plan. Now as you can see here, guys, you can add multiple plans, as you can see. Okay, now I'm going to I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to go back. Okay, so you can add, as you can see, it says here subscription frequency. You can add 2 subscriptions for this exact product. You can add, for example, monthly subscription and create another page which says weekly subscriptions. Okay, now I'm going to delete this weekly. I'm going to offer only 1 subscription on this product. Now click next. Okay, after, guys, you click next, the next step is going to be simple. As you can see, it says here go live with upsell subscription widget. To go live with your subscription and allow customers to subscribe, you need to enable upsell embedded block. You just need to go to your Shopify, as you can see here. Okay, it says here go to Shopify button below to open up the live theme editor for your store. You just need to enable this. Just click go to Shopify, and after that you wanna click on here. As you can see, you just need to enable the upsell subscription app. After you enable it, make sure you click on save in the top right. Alright, now after that, as you can see on the left side, toggle on subscription. That's it. You have already started selling subscriptions with upsell subscriptions. Now that's exactly how you can set up subscriptions. Very easy, guys, and simple. Now you have successfully offered subscriptions for your products. Okay, hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you also want to send notifications or something like that, you can do that here. As you can see, you can click on customers and you can do a lot of things here. As you can see, you can also see the analytics here, but it's only available on the paid plan. Okay, the free plan is a little bit basic. You can only offer subscriptions. That's it. Okay, hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.